There is a vacancy for Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Last date for receipt of application 15/2/2021. That means up to February 15 you can apply. This advertisement came into force on 21st January 2021. So you may already know about this application. For somebody doesn't know about this application, so that's why I uploaded this video. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates for appointment to the post in RMRC, that is Radiation Medicine Research Center, Kolkata, and BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. So either you will get any of the institutions. If you selected in this post, you have to work any of these two institutions. So you will get a salary, 60,000 plus salary you will get. This is a permanent post. The post advised include backlog vacancies also. So you can check in details. You can see the post code DR bar 04 nurse grade A. So there will be no vacancy for SC/ST candidates, but they can apply. They can apply as unreserved category. So there is 10 vacancy for OBC and EWS category 1 post, unreserved category 8 posts. So there is total 19 vacancies. All over India candidates can apply. You can see in details. In nurse grade A, there is 12th standard and diploma in nursing and midwifery 3 years course plus valid registration as midwife from Central or State Nursing Council in India. So you have to complete GNM plus there will be registration certificate from State Nursing Council, or BSc Nursing, or nursing A certificate with 3 years experience in hospital or nursing assistant class 3rd above from armed forces. Candidates possessing BSc degree in nursing may be considered for awarding 2 additional increments. So there will be increments for BSc nurses. You can check briefly. All other posts here given. Pharmacist vacancy are there. So here you can see the pay grade 44,900. So we'll get in hand 60 plus salary. It's a very good salary. So there will be 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. First, there will be a preliminary test. Includes mathematics, science, and general awareness plus 2 basis. So there will be 50 multiple choice questions and 4 choice of 4 answers of 1 hour duration in the following proportion. Then 3 marks for each correct answer and 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Candidate scoring less than 40% in general category will be screened out. So you have to score 40% plus in general category. For reserved categories, the lowest cutoff will not be fixed below 30%. So in reserved categories, you have to score 30% plus score. Then there will be second stage test, that is advanced test. All candidates screened in stage 1 will be allowed to undertake stage 2, that is advanced test, in their respective trade. The test will comprise 50 multiple choice questions, choice of 4 answers of 2 hour duration. 3 marks for each correct answer and 1 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Merit list of candidates will be prepared after second stage based upon the scores obtained in stage 2 only. So this second stage is very important. Candidate scoring less than 30% general category will be screened out. For reserved categories, the lowest cutoff will not be fixed below 20%. So you must get 30%, more than 30% plus score. Then stage 3 skill test based upon the merit list prepared after stage 2. Candidate will be shortlisted for stage 3 skill test. The number of candidates shortlisted for skill test will depend upon the number of candidates qualifying in stage 2, but will not exceed 4 to 5 times the number of vacancies in each trade. The skill test will be based on go-no-go basis. Candidates clearing the skill test will be shortlisted and empaneled in order of merit based upon the marks securing in stage 2. So all these stages you have to go through. Nurses' duties and responsibilities are given here. Patient RMRC, preparation for diagnostic and therapeutic studies, to carry out cardiac stress studies, administer radiopharmaceutical for diagnostic studies. All these you have to perform. And in BARC, performing nursing midwifery duties in hospitals or dispensaries. Candidates with ICU operation or operation theater experience and knowledge of basic computer is preferred. So you can apply easily through website. Till 15th February you can apply online very easily. The fees exempted from female candidates, only 150 rupees you have to pay if you are a male candidates. Then till 15/2 you have to apply. Fees is exempted for candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWD and the woman category. Other male candidates 150 rupees. So from the BARC website you have to type in Google BARC and you can go in easily fill all the form and apply before 15/2/2021. So if you are working in central government or state government, there you should get a no objection certificate. So please share this video and don't forget to apply. There is a good chance and good salary. If you are having any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.